Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is coming out to say that he had his first fight. Yes, he had his first fight, he said, allegedly, with the people in Picnic. Now, he's saying that even his hair was pulled in this occasion. Now, we don't know if Dwayne is joking or not, but you know Dwayne. So he came out and he spoke about that, and he was sitting in it until there was this lady who spoke about Miss D. Now that got him off, and he started talking about Miss D. So, guys, go ahead and catch the video, see what he has to say about this situation and what he has to say to the lady. And, guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, have yourselves a wonderful day. And it's a happy, happy birthday for your ain't it? Yes. So I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, I want to wish you guys a wonderful and super successful day.
When it feel real dry. So, me just get to my first fight. I just got to my first fight. I just got to my first fight. My ear, look, my ear. I'm ear get dry. I'm ear get dry. You see it all the way. I just got to my first fight. I'm asking myself, like, Jesus Christ, what could have caused all of this? What caused this set of blouse and skirt? What caused this? My first fight in how many? In so long, too. So long. I'm not even gonna laugh. I'm not laugh because it's not funny. It's not funny. It is not funny. Oh, by the way, it is no filter, eh? No filter, no filter. When I use a filter, we're tired. We're tired of the damn filters. We're tired of the filter. After I'm ugly. The filter only just bring me a little bit more. You see it. But I don't need no damn filter. What filter I go? Filter for live from both here. I'm gonna stop using filters. What Facebook filters? Yolanda Wagwan, I'm just getting on a fight, girl. I'm just getting on a fight. With the people that pick me. Jesus Christ. Exactly. I'm asking the same thing to what? Girl, it's not what you like, it's what I like. I like the filter too. But I like my natural self even more. Yeah. The Lord said, love yourself. Because if you don't love yourself, no one else will love you. If I always love myself first, I'm gonna love myself first. I'm gonna put myself first before anybody else. I just saw. Who's pick me? That is the question. Dwayne, physical or verbal? That is the right question. That is the right question. You asked the right question. That's up. You asked the right question. Was it physical? Was it verbal? You know, funny. Gemma Wagwan. What's up, Gemma? But let's get to my first fight in a very long time. Very long time. And bear in mind, me lean up. Me lean all the way up. I have to defend the thing. Me have to defend the thing. Him say him here. I mean got pulled. Ooh. More ball, come here. More ball. It's not too funny. It's not too funny. It's not funny. It's not funny. No. As for listen. I'm going on my face. Me tell my people them so say me let's get in a fight. I had to come tell you guys. I had to come tell you. But let's I don't me not want to focus on the fight. Me don't want to focus on the fight. Somebody called Marcia Lee. Marcia Lee said, I am doing everything in my power. Forget Dana people over here. Marcia Lee, let me fix myself. Marcia Lee, girl, you're not ashamed. Girl, you don't have no shame. On the time I'm running now. If I wanted Donegal's people on my page, I'll be sucking ass and sucking out batty wall and I push up on Uno. Don't you see? Girl, you're not ashamed. Marcia Lee. You'll let me see reply to her. Marcia Lee, you may a chat about. You're not ashamed. You don't have a shame, girl. If I wanted Donna's people on my page, I'll be sucking Donna's bottom and pushing up on Uno and I sing on a song. And I sing on a song key, mind you. You understand? You're not ashamed, girl. You're not ashamed. Uno the time I'm running now. If I wanted Donegal's on my page, I would not be blocking out. I would not be blacking out on the backside, left, right, and center. I black on her. Girl, I've look a shame. I've look at something about the girl. Marcia, you my chat to. Yo, what's that, Angela, brother? Yo, what's that, Angela, brother? Will lady view race up yesterday. Wanna come like some shit house. Wanna come like some shit pit. What is wrong with Uno? I don't want other people on my page. I don't want them over here. I'm telling you, even if we have 10 people, even if we have 10 people, Marcelly, I'll be finding my 10 people, Marcelly. My name done out there already, girl. My name, Dwayne Fletcher, is done out there in the metaverse already, girl. You're blind, you're deaf, you're dumb. Which one? I do not want Donegal's people them on my page. Me running like a dog. Me running go. I'm running no. Girl, you can't see. You want me do you want to see my block list? The amount I want my black out on the backside. You say thank you, I didn't block you. To say thank you, I didn't block you. You know why? Because I like to give people the chance to redeem themselves. Redemption is a beautiful thing. And I'm giving you the opportunity to redeem yourself. You know what I would encourage you to do, Marcy? I would encourage you to block me. Black out my blouse and skirt. Black my girl. Black and cement me so you won't see my page again. Don't come to my page, come provoke me about you and Dana. You and that I feel. I still wanna like, come out to come class, Dana. I that you like. I see it now. I see it very clearly, girl. And that you want, no, you won't get it. You will not get it, Marcelli. You're not getting it, girl. You're not getting it. You understand? You hear me, Marcelli? You won't get me to come out to come class, sir. I just want. That's what you said. That's what you come out, you talk to your big sour mouth. That phrase, you said that for a reason. Because you know, say, when you say them things, you gotta provoke me. I know, I see you now, girl. I see you. And if anyone thinks I'm lying, go and look at my post I posted yesterday. And when you see the look at dog in the comment, like say, she wants to come provoke me, boss. Oh, Donna, this. Listen, girl, you go on, here, go on. I am fine. I have no complaints. To them at my turn I'm alive. It was all about Vibes Cartel and what the Privy Con said. And it got to almost 300 people, almost 300. I don't need that go people them. And yes, once the news broke, the live dropped drastically. But do I care? No. I don't business. The fact of them come, it means to them still over here. I just have to come with the right thing and for draw them. You see, my page is a Marcially, my page is multi-purpose. Me chat Queenie, me chat Hamari, I chat everybody. So we over here, so we have a look at everybody. You understand, Marcially? So don't think it is only Donegal's people over here. Don't think it is only Donegal's people's gonna give views over here. You understand? And this is on a problem. This is on a problem. On a put Donegal on this damn pedestal that on a feel like say the world has to revolve around Donegal. And this is on a problem. This is why I'm trying to shake up my page. I'm trying to shake up the people's mindset on my page. For this reason. When no one Donegal on a one over Donegal, cause over here so we're gonna chat the good, the bad, and the indifferent. I just summer silly girl. Whether you are for or against, I don't care, girl. I don't care. Real, recognize real. And I'm sure the real people over here, them know I'm a damn good human being. Even some of you people know I'm a damn good human being too. But on the don't want to acknowledge. But then again, do I care? No. I don't business. I care zero more silly. Don't you see, girl? Right now, from my life, me have 100 people. Alright, me look at 100 people. I am okay with them. And if 50 of them for leave me tomorrow, I will still be fine with the next 50 that is left over Master. And if the next 40 if you left me to another day Master, and I have 10 if I'll be okay with the 10 Master. The world does not revolve around Donegal Master. Don't you see? Do you know there is a world out there that no one knows who Donegal is? The world has 7 billion people. The world we live in has 7 billion people in the world, Marcia. Look it up. Say how much, go to Google and say how much people is in the world. It's going to tell you 7+ billion people. 7 billion. You think I look a bit, Marcia? You think I look a bit a zero, that girl? I want Wally. Why you think, Master, them hours I fear I call sometime. Why you think? Because the world is getting too overpopulated, Master Ali. Some of it call sometime and take out some so other people can prosper. 7 billion people, and I can assure you. What am I gonna say? 6.9 billion. 6.9 billion people does not know who Donegal is. 6.9 billion. Me left off 100,000 for a reason. You understand, girl? That is not me left off 1 million for a reason. I left off 1 million for a reason. Alright, but here what? Me could take off 3 million because Jamaica have 3 million people down there, right? Jamaica have 3 million people. And I'm sure even then I am being generous. Me know people at Jamaica right now who don't know who Donegal is. Go up a country, ask, go up a St. Catherine and say, oh no, Donegal is going to know Auntie Donna is. Them I say, nah, them don't know her. Them don't know who she is. Your people will never leave. Right this a choice, right this so. I mad them. Yes, I corrected myself. I'm correct myself. But listen, me take out 3 million because 3 million people that Jamaica. So me I give them a goodwill just as the 3 million. So 3 million Jamaica don't know her then. Right? There's still 6.7 billion who don't know who she is. You're blind? There's a whole world out there who don't know. Listen, there's people out here has millions of followers. Let's take Rihanna. Rihanna has 100 million plus followers on Twitter and 100 million followers on Instagram. Donegal is only a very minute fragment in the ocean, girl. I want to do way too much in this woman's name. Way too much. Let's use Beyonce. Beyonce has close to 100 million pan Twitter and more than 100 million pan Instagram. Nicki Minaj the same. Nicki Minaj have 170 million pan Twitter and more than 100 plus million pan Instagram. Donegal is a very minute fragment in the ocean, Marcia Lee. There's a world out there who don't know. I bet you anyone go and ask Rihanna followers them. Go and ask the Rihanna Navy them and go and ask the Barbs them. So I wanna know who Auntie Donna is, wanna know who Donegal is. They're gonna say who name so. Who is that? Donegal is a Z-lister. Marcia Lee, I'm sorry to break it to you. Donegal is a minus Z-lister. You know what a minus Z-lister is? Way down there. Way down there. Way down at the ocean, Marcia Lee, girl. Way down. Rihanna, Beyonce, Nicki Minaj, and people like them is A-listers. Up top. And not even them a behave so. Not even them followers, not even the Bobs or the Rihanna, even not even them is behaving like own, is behaving like Donegal is God's gift. When a boyfriend, yeah. Here we go. No, Mahalia, no, me nah cuss. Mahalia, I am not cursing. Mahalia, I promise you, girl, I am not cursing. Me nah curse, girl, me nah curse. Me done with cussing. I am done with cussing. My mother don't like it, right? My mother draw me there. Lie about what? Lie about what? What that lie about? So Mahalia, are you saying Donegal is the A-lister? Mahalia, are you implying Donegal is an A-lister? I have to ask. Like I ask you, because since I'm telling lies, are you saying Donegal is an A-list celebrity? What is an A-list celebrity, Mahalia? Does Donegal get invited to the Met Gala? Does Donegal get invited to them big top events where A-listers go to? Wanna come like an idiot? Dwayne, why you leave Jamaica? What? Dwayne, why you leave Jamaica? Look how much people there don't know. Exactly, no. Me take out the 3 million. Jamaica has 3 million people. Me take them out. Me take out 3 million out there and give it to them. And I'm sure right now there's people in Jamaica right now who don't know who what them don't know are. And I was being generous. Mahalia Donegal is not no A-lister girl. Rihanna, Beyonce, Nicki Minaj, Chris Brown, then the people that are A-listers, top people. Donegal is a very minute Z-lister in the ocean. No, Dwayne, she's not God, but she is.